Ah, yes, my favorite type of fireworks. Bad quality. I don't have flash on. Wait, yes I do. Yeah! Wonderful.
Hey, turn your flash off, Lydia. Okay.
Ah, beautiful.
Here.
Thank you.
Oh, look at the fishies. Look at those. Oh.
Wow, that's so pretty! Yo, it's freaking Christmas colors. Who gives a damn? Christmas is awesome. Get free shit. I'm losing my goddamn balance. Woo! Nice! I don't even know if I got them. Oh, that is so pretty. Pretty colors. Oh, wait, you kind of can. Wow! Yeah! Once again, not my fireworks, but they're pretty.
Mine's kind of a blur. Oh, whatever.
Shut up.
That guy spent like $1,000.
Oh, my phone takes very bad quality videos.
Oh, mine takes